The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Shubdip Abacus and Activity Center. Today we are learning small friend minus 3 formula. So, formula is for minus 3, add 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 5. For minus 3, add 2 minus 5. Let's do. Our first example is 13 add 2. For add 2 minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 add 2 minus 5. Again minus 3. So use Big B's formula. Minus 10 plus 7. Answer is 9. Next 26 minus 3. For minus 3 add 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 minus 10 add 6. For add 8 minus 2 plus 10, then answer is 27. Next 79 add 7 minus 3. For minus 3 add 2 minus 7 minus 5 add 2 minus 5 add minus 4. For minus 4 minus 10 plus 6, then answer is 79. Next 15 minus 3. For minus 3 add 2 minus 5, again minus 3 minus 10 plus 7, again minus 3 direct, then answer is 6. Next 47 minus 3. For minus 3 add 2 minus 5 add 2. For add 2 minus 3 plus 5 add 3 direct, then answer is 49. Next 78 double digit sums. 78 minus 34. 78 minus 34. For minus 30, same like tens unit place, do on tens place. For minus 3 minus 30 add 20 minus 50 and minus 4. For minus 4 add 1 minus 5. Again add 4. For add 4 minus 1 plus 5 minus 4 add 1 minus 5. Answer is 44. Next 55 minus 43. For minus 40 add 10 minus 50 minus 3 add 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 10 plus 7 add 6. For add 6 minus 4 plus 10. Answer is 15. Next 62 minus 38. For minus 30 add 20 minus 50 minus 8. For minus 8 minus 10 plus 2 and add 2. For add 2 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 add 2 minus 5. Answer is 23. Next 66 minus 43. For minus 40 minus 50 add 10 and for minus 3 add 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 10 plus 6 add 7 minus 3 plus 10. Answer is 26. Next 51 minus 33. For minus 30 minus 50 add 20 and for minus 3 less 10 add 7 add 17 add 10 direct, and for add 7 minus 3 plus 10 minus 3. For minus 3 add 2 minus 5. Answer is 32. I hope you all understood very well. You understood very well. See you in next video. Till then, happy learning.